Meet the Dreame L40s Ultra, the robot vacuum and mop that actually handles real-life messes. With 19,000 pascal suction, it lifts flour, cereal, and pet hair with no tangles thanks to its dual brushes. Edge-to-edge cleaning? Yep, its arms reach corners most vacuums miss. The mop lifts on carpets, climbs thick rugs, and dodges cords with smart obstacle avoidance. And the best part? The dock empties dust, refills water, washes and dries the mop pads with hot water, and it's all totally hands-free. The Dreame L40s Ultra. Clean floors with zero effort. So I've been using the Dreame L40s Ultra for a few weeks now, and it's been doing a great job at keeping my house clean. I've been having it run every day on schedule, and it's keeping the pet hair, the dust, debris, all at bay. And big thanks to Dreame for sending this unit over for a review. Now, starting with the unboxing, it does feel like a premium experience. If you want to pick one up for yourself and make cleaning your house and keeping it clean so much easier, I'll throw the link down below in the description along with a special discount code so you can save some moolah when you go pick up one of these Dreame L40s Ultras and add it to your home. And like I said, it looks amazing, it works amazingly, and it's just a pleasure to have.